have two mega-sized RC trucks that we're gonna be putting to the test today.
Mega Grave Digger and Mega El Toro Loco. They look just like the real thing.
Seriously, the first mega challenge today, walking on the water balloons. The goal is to drive over this pool filled with water balloons. For every water balloon you pop, I get to throw one at you.
And for every water balloon you pop, I get to throw one at you. Right? Right? Right?
Let's go.
Come on, El Toro Loco. You can do it.
Come on, Les.
Go, 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 go. Oh! Did you pop any?
Wait, did I pop it?
Wait. What?
I didn't pop a single one!
No! Come on! Come on!
Okay. Let's see Grave Digger. Let's see Grave Digger.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Grave Digger. Come on. Oh! Oh! Yes!
Did you pop any?
None! Yes!
Not a single!
Yes!
No!
Thank you, Grave Digger.
Next challenge.
Let's do it.
Here. Next challenge, the obstacle course.
But it's not any obstacle course. It's a mega obstacle course.
Speed bumps, tires, cones.
And a whole lagoon of megalodons.
That's right. And the driver who finishes the course fastest wins.
And what happens to the loser?
The winner gets to run over them with their RC truck.
I can't wait to win. Okay, Jaden, I'm gonna count you down.
Got it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Look at how fast he's going.
Dude!
Oh, he's going over there.
He's coming, he's coming. He's about to hit the monster dirt.
Okay,
Oh, here he goes.
Come on.
Ah! Jump. Oh, yes!
Oh, you're
Yes!
so high.
Okay, I gotta beat that time. I'm gonna burn some rubber with Grave Digger. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. He's making the curve. Oh,
going
over
over
the
the-
blue noodles. Now he's going over the tires. Yes! Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes! Yes! And the winner with the time of 47 seconds is Jaden!
Yes! Okay, dude, on the ground.
Okay. Oh, Felicity, okay.
Ready?
Okay, yes, go. Go. Oh! Ah!
Hey!
Yes!
I'm Jaden.
And I'm Jake, and we'll see you next time on
Revved Up Recaps!
Hey, where are you going? Wait, what are you doing with those balloons? Ah, no! Ah!